Hi, thanks for visiting my channel, and I hope you're having a good day. The previous video covered how to make your Word documents accessible by using headings and styles. While creating your accessible documents, you also want to add accessible tables because tables organize information visually and help you show relationships between things. Please note that a screen reader can read out loud your accessible tables to screen reader users. This video gives you step-by-step instructions to make accessible tables and footers in Microsoft Word. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Insert tab and then select Table to insert a table. Choose the number of boxes you want across to create columns and then choose the number of boxes you want down to create rows for your table. I selected 3 columns and 3 rows in this example. Second, after going to the Design tab, choose the Tables Styles option group and then choose Head Row. Other options include Banded Rows or Total Row. Your table now has a header row. That is, Word and any assistive technologies can communicate intelligently about the table. Third, place your cursor in the first cell on the top row of your new table. Next, type the name for this column and then press Tab to move from one column to the next. You can add additional column names as needed. As you see here, I'm typing additional columns now. Your table now has column names, which make it easier to understand the information that the table contains. Now, let's check the accessibility of your table. First, try navigating all the way through your table using only the Tab key. If you can tap smoothly throughout the tab, cell by cell and row by row, a screen reader should have no trouble with it. In English language tables, the Tab key should move from left to right, starting in the top left cell and ending in the bottom right. Next, the use of designated header row for your table because designated header rows make it easier for the screen readers to navigate your table. To designate a row as a header, select it. Then right-click and select Table Properties. Select the Row tab and check Repeat as a header row at the top of each page. Also, be sure allow row to break across pages is unchecked. Next, select the Alt Text tab and make sure the Alt Text is clear, descriptive, and concise. With your header row and alt text already, choose OK. Lastly, let's take a look at the steps to create an accessible footer. To create an accessible footer, go to the Insert tab and then click Footer. As soon as I select it, this selection View Master, Microsoft Word says that we have errors. To fix these errors, click the drop-down icon next to the group 37 and then select Mark as Decorative. Then select the date that you want to select. Next, click the drop-down icon next to Rectangle 40. Alright, that was a quick overview. If you enjoyed or found it useful, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button also. If you want to see me cover any other topics or have any questions, leave a note down below. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Remain safe, healthy, and happy.